In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite others. Whether you're planning a casual catch-up or a business meeting, Zoom offers a simple way to connect with people from anywhere. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open the Zoom app on your device and sign in with your credentials. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to proceed with scheduling your meeting. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen. Here, you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in right now is the Schedule button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new window where you can set up the details of your meeting. Think of this as your virtual meeting planner. You'll need to enter the meeting topic, the date and time when the meeting will take place, and importantly, its duration. Be sure to consider time zones if you're connecting participants from different parts of the world. An easy way to avoid scheduling mishaps. Next, you'll have the opportunity to adjust a few other settings that can enhance your meeting experience. You can choose whether you want the video for the host and participants to be on or off when the meeting starts. If it's a formal meeting, you might want everyone's video on. For casual meetings, you can leave this flexible. Another useful feature is the waiting room. Activating this means that participants can't join the meeting until you, the host, admit them. This is great for an added layer of security and to ensure that the meeting starts with a warm introduction. Once you've set everything to your liking, simply click Save or Schedule. This action commits your meeting details to the Zoom platform, so make sure everything's correct before doing so. After saving, a window showing all the meeting details will pop up. This includes the invitation link. This is the digital key to your virtual meeting room, so it's crucial. You have a couple of options here. You can copy the invitation link and share it via your preferred communication method, maybe a messaging app. Alternatively, you can send the invite directly through email by selecting the email option provided. Finally, it's time to send this link or invitation to the people you want to join your meeting. You might want to include a note or context about the meeting in the email or message for clarity. And there you have it, a seamlessly scheduled Zoom meeting with invitations sent out to all necessary attendees. You've now successfully set up a Zoom meeting from start to finish. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of your digital tools.